Do we have to sit in Tashahhud in second Rak'ah of Witr? As far as Witr Salah is concerned, Witr in Arabic means odd. So as far as Witr is concerned, we can pray Witr either 1 Rak'ah or 3 Rak'ah or 5 Rak'ah or 7 Rak'ah or 9 Rak'ah. Any odd number from these is called a Witr Salah. But naturally the Prophet mostly prayed 3 Rak'ah Witr. The question is that do we have to sit in Tashahhud in the second Rak'ah? He didn't mention which Witr, is it 1 Rak'ah Witr, 3 Rak'ah or 5 or 7 or 9. But mainly he'll be referring to the 3 Rak'ah Witr. As far as 1 Rak'ah is concerned, of course you have to sit in that 1 Rak'ah in Tashahhud. If it's a 3 Rak'ah Witr, the Prophet said that your Witr should not be like that of the Maghrib Salah. So the more appropriate method of praying Witr, if you're praying 3 Rak'ah, is either to pray 2 Rak'ah and say the Tasleem and then pray 1 Rak'ah after that, it becomes 3 Rak'ah. Or you pray 3 Rak'ah together, but you only sit in the last Rak'ah in the Tashahhud. You do not sit for Tashahhud in the second Rak'ah to follow the command of the Prophet that do not let your Witr be similar to the Maghrib Salah. So if you're praying 3 Rak'ah Salah, you should not sit in Tashahhud in the second Rak'ah. You only sit for Tashahhud in the last Rak'ah, that's the third Rak'ah. If you're praying 5 Rak'ah, you do not sit in Tashahhud for the first 4 Rak'ahs, only in the last Rak'ah, in the 5th Rak'ah you sit for Tashahhud. If you're praying 7 Rak'ah, there also you do not sit in Tashahhud for the first 6 Rak'ah, you only sit in Tashahhud for the last Rak'ah, that is 7 Rak'ah. If you are praying 9 Rak'ah, you sit in Tashahhud only for the last 2 Rak'ah, that is the 8th and the 9th Rak'ah. So this you get from the authentic hadith of the beloved Prophet, and hope that answers the question.